Welcome back to a brand new video, ladies and gentlemen. Today is legal breaking analysis reporting. We have an update regarding Donald Trump's illegal administration and their open defiance of Chief Justice Boasberg's order in halting deportation flights. What all does that legal breaking analysis update detail? And what all does the reporting detail? Let's figure that out in this brand new legal breaking reporting, this by Axios. The article is titled, Judge Slams Venezuelan Deportation Order Signed in the Dark. And the article reads, a federal judge slammed the Justice Department on Friday for rushing to invoke an 18th century wartime law during the night last weekend, questioning whether it was done to accelerate deportations while skirting potential legal challenges. The big picture, the high-stakes immigration case is testing the power of the executive versus the judiciary branches and could heavily influence President Trump's deportation agenda. The US Judge James Boasberg is weighing whether the government violated his order when it failed to turn around planeloads of alleged Venezuelan gang members after invoking the Alien Enemies Act to deport them. Keep in mind, ladies and gentlemen, that alleged means that they might have done or might be, in this case, Venezuelan gang members, which we have no idea of knowing because Donald Trump decided to illegally invoke and fire the immigration judges and invoke the Alien Enemies Act of 1789. That is against due process rights, as some of you so proclaimed that he lost during his New York criminal 34 count in the first degree hush money trial. Continuing with the article. Driving the news, Boasberg said during a hearing Friday that the move was an unprecedented and expanded use of a law that has only applied when there is a declared war between the United States and any foreign nation, which there is not. The policy ramifications of this are incredibly troublesome and problematic and concerning, the judge said. The law allows the government to detain and deport people without due process, like court hearing or asylum interviews. To which, ladies and gentlemen, Donald Trump again violated and broke the law for that reason, as per you guys. So proclaiming that he again lost those rights during his New York criminal hush money conviction. Trial. Continuing with the article. Why is this proclamation essentially signed in the dark on Friday night, early Saturday morning, when people rushed on the plane? He asked. He then added that, to me, the only reason to do that is if you know the problem and you want to get them out of the country before a suit is filed. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Deputy Attorney General responding to the judge. Well, I don't know, or I don't have knowledge of those operational details. Really? Really now? How do you not have the details of the operation when you're a DOJ Deputy Attorney General, as the administration proclaims you to be? Zoom in. Boasberg said he'd continue to investigate whether the White House allowed the two flights in question to proceed, despite his order barring it, and who was responsible for making that decision. Before you guys tend to comment on my video and scold the judge for overstepping, quote, as you guys proclaim he did or has, the judge under the United States Constitution has the right to step in only when the president and his executive actions are illegal and unconstitutional. Hence, the AEA of 1789 is unconstitutional because we don't have current active wars with any foreign nations. Continuing with the article. The government is not being terribly cooperative at this point, but I will get to the bottom of whether they violated my order and who was responsible for that, the judge said. The judge did not issue a ruling during Friday's hearing. Catch up quickly. The judge earlier this week gave the DOJ a Tuesday deadline to provide additional information on the Trump administration's defiance of a court order halting deportations of alleged Venezuelan gang members. keep in mind, ladies and gentlemen, that alleged means that they might or might not be gang members. We don't know because Donald Trump, as you all so proclaim, he lost these rights. We don't know if they are because Donald Trump violated their due process rights, and we do not know because Donald Trump illegally, unlawfully, and unconstitutionally, without cause, fired the immigration judges, which is against federal law. As you MAGA folks so proclaim that he was denied and got his due process rights violated during his 34-time felony hush money conviction in the first degree of falsifying business records trial. Continuing with the article. Boasberg then scolded the department for having evaded its obligations to give him the requested information. Trump has attacked the judge, even calling for his impeachment, which prompted a rebuke from Supreme Court Chief Justice John Roberts. Context: the Trump administration has continued to insist they were within their rights to conduct deportation flights after the president invoked the Alien Enemies Act in an executive order. Again, ladies and gentlemen, it's not so much that the judge is against Donald Trump deporting these guys. It's just the fact that we do not know. There is no factual evidence as of right now. We do not know whether they actually are these alleged gang members that Donald Trump is so proclaiming that they are, as well as his administration. Because Donald Trump, again, illegally fired without cause immigration judges, which violates their due process rights. Continuing with the article. The administration argues the planes were already in international waters. Judge Boasberg issued Judge Boasberg's ordered the flights return to the U.S., which the White House ignored. The administration argues that the planes were already in international waters at the time, and the ruling did not apply. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that is going to do it for today's legal breaking reporting analysis video. If you did enjoy this legal breaking analysis reporting video, please do make sure that you like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you want to make sure that you never miss a brand new legal breaking reporting, please do feel free to smash the like button down below, or the bell icon down below that is right next to the subscribe button on the right hand side below the screen here. It does not cost anything. It's completely free of charge. And as well as if you want to make sure you never miss a brand new legal breaking update and are instantly notified of when I post a brand new legal breaking analysis video to the channel, please do follow me on my social medias down below. I am on Instagram, Snapchat, and Threads. There you guys can be notified along with the bell icon when I post a brand new legal breaking analysis reporting to the channel. Lastly, ladies and gentlemen, please help me reach the overall channel goal of 150 plus subscribers. The reason why I am saying 150 plus subscribers is because right after we reach and achieve the goal of 150 subscribers for the channel, we have more subscribers to reach and achieve after we reach and achieve the goal of 150 subscribers. That is all for the video today, ladies and gentlemen. Until my next reporting, please stay safe, please stay positive, and always look for the points of light in these dark times. And know that justice will prevail despite Donald Trump and his illegal executive orders and his administration's illegal actions. Until my next reporting, I will talk to you guys in the next video.